I did button up the kitchen and stash everything under the table just in case. This and this and this. So I read that you can use these kind of muffin mixes to make pancakes by adding, I'll do the actual recipe, but I think it's like 2/3 cup milk and like an egg. I'm gonna tweak that a little bit and see if it works. So I got banana nut muffin mix, some spray oil, one very ripe banana. That's actually perfect for this. A milk beverage. This is soy. Oh, another important ingredient. I'm gonna try and stuff these. So this is my plan. Instead of the egg, I'm gonna use mashed banana. The Kraken has awoken. It's just muffin mix, buddy. Give it a sniff. Yeah, see? Go back to sleep. I was hoping to mix it all in this bag, but boy, is it... It's full. It's really full. This looks like danger. So let's open up our nanner. This is nanner. You can have some nanner. Hold on. Gunther, you want some banana? Nope. No banana. Oh. Oh, it is sprinkling now. Oh, it's getting messy. This is our mashed up banana. Try and get it kind of started, and then I'm going to add some milk. Promising. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see. Looking kind of like batter. That works. All right, we got to plug in the waffle iron. Check, check. Now I was hoping for like Nutella, but they don't have single serves of Nutella, so we have hazelnut almond butter. Oh, please don't be oily. Oh man. Put that there at the ready. It's good though. It's already pretty warm. The plan is to put in a little, and then the hazelnut stuff in the middle. Alright, put that there. I need a different utensil. Oh, look how much flour there is. Oh my goodness. Oh no. That is not thoroughly mixed. Come on. Come on, Justin. Deliver. A little more batter on top. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh gosh, this looks like I might be overfilling. I might be overfilling. Definitely overfilling. Oh no. It's growing. I wonder how we're doing on power. 70%, so we were at like 82, so knocked it down by 12%. Worst case scenario, we won't have electric blanket tonight, but it is only supposed to be like 40, so I think I can live with that without electric. Oh my god, it's Jabba the Waffle. However, smells amazing. Totally smells like banana Laffy Taffy. All right, that is not done right there. I'm gonna give it a little longer. That might be all right. Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on, Mama. Ooh, I don't have any kind of plate, so. Let's see. A bit dense for a waffle. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah. This will do it. So the question is, dare I do this over my bed? I'm gonna put a towel down just in case. Does it have the chocolatey, gooey filling? Oh my gosh, this is so hot. Look. Oh. I need something else to hold it with. All right. Oh. Yes, it does. Look. Oh yeah. Does have the hazelnut. Good thing I put a towel down. The hazelnut filling. Success. And I totally think you could do this in a pie iron. If we had a fire tonight, I would have done it that way. But yeah. Right. Yeah. Ooh.